Want to try? What number goes here? So basically what we're doing is we're using synthetic division to test. Bring the number down, multiply, add these numbers, multiply, add. So that means yes, 2 is a factor. It's a factor by the factor theorem because you have no remainder. Class, when x is equal to 2, what is a binomial? X minus 2. What do these numbers mean? Start over here. Negative 6 minus 7x. I don't need that one, right? Okay. What's half of 3? Is that 1.5 here? That tells you that you cannot use the Xbox method. So what could you use? We would just use rational roots theorem again. What's the last term? And the first term? 1. So my factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. What number do you want to try? You want to try 3? Sure. So I'm going to put a 3 here. My numbers here are, pay attention, 1, what? 0, because you need the placeholder, negative 7, and negative 6. Class, what number goes here? Here. 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 So this is a factor. This is a factor because the remainder is 0. That basically tells us now we have x minus 2. X what? Minus 3. And now we have this. What do I write there in yellow, class? All done? Factor it again. A times C is 2. B value is 3. Two numbers that multiply. These multiply to be 2, add to be 3. X minus 2, x minus 3, x plus 2, x plus 1. Let's review what we've done so far. They've given me this polynomial, and part of finding the zeros is factoring. So if I had to explain to you what we've done so far, this whole process, all we've done is just factored. Class, did we find the zeros yet? No. To find the zeros, you're going to apply the zero product rule to all of these. How do I apply it? X minus 2 equals 0. X minus 3 equals 0. When you solve these, you'll get what? 2. This is our final answer. these are where they crosses the x-axis. That's a fancy way of saying the zeros. So big idea is that all of this is factoring. And then basically where we set them equal to 0, that part there is called what? What are you doing? Solving. Fancy way of solving is, what did I tell you in the beginning? Find the zeros. So if it tells you to find the zeros, factor first, then solve.